Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do something new. We're actually gonna meet up my boy Omar. He's been helping me out a lot over at the SMP location, and last time, like a month ago, we were over at a jewelry store. He was looking at some chains, and he wanted one. But today we're gonna surprise him, and I'm gonna actually gift him one. Hopefully he likes it. I'm actually gonna give him a call right now and see if he's always down. Like I always call him and I ask him, hey bro, can you come help me out? I need this video filmed, and he's since we kind of started, he's been there, kind of supporting with the process, and let's give him a call, see what he says. Yo, gracias, perro. All right. Hey, can you go over to the SMP spot? Like, fuck, I'd say maybe like around 5:30.
5:30?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that.
Oh, yeah. Even. Okay. Yeah, like I say like 5. If you have like even like 5:45, so like in about an hour, it should be good.
Okay.
I just gotta make a. What was that?
It's a new client?
It's for the class. Yeah. But I just need like maybe like a 25-minute video. No, that's on May 8th. Yeah.
Alright, wait, I have to meet up with my phone.
Alright. So that was the phone call. I'm gonna actually show you guys what we got my boy here. So we got him a bracelet.
Sin pendiente navegamos, aquí seguimos de pie.
So alright guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit.